Sorry, who's that?
It's Luke from Gumtree.
Hi, Luke. You okay?
Yes, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good, good. Just wanted to have a quick chat with you, mate, if you've got 5 minutes.
Go on.
Yeah, just wanted to find out a little bit more about the property, really, and get to know you briefly, if that's okay.
Absolutely fine.
So, what's the situation with the property at the moment? Is it tenanted?
I have three advertisements, and you've pretty much sent the same. No, not pretty much. You copied the same message to all three of them.
That's correct, yeah.
So I'm taking it that you've just gone on Gumtree. Everybody who's advertised, you've contacted them. So I rather know a bit about you first.
Of course.
So what do you intend to do with the properties?
Well, we rent them from landlords over a fixed term.
Mm-hmm.
Normally, it's 1 to 5 years, typically.
Mm-hmm.
And then we work with local companies in the area. And we obviously furnish the properties. We normally spend a little bit of money tidying them up. We set all the bills up in our company's name. And then we work with local companies like doctors, nurses at the YYF hospital, for example.
So, the one that you phoning me for, the one that I thought would work for you.
The 5-bed, yep.
The 5-bed.
Yep.
I'm happy to come to some sort of an agreement on that. It's a big property.
Mm-hmm.
And personally, I think it suits what you're thinking to do.
Okay.
Yep. And I have done that myself.
Yeah.
But since it's not my main job, I can't put the time in to do it.
Yeah, of course.
I once had a bunch of guys who had come in to do some, what's the word for it now? The way they do nursing at home?
Yeah, okay, carers.
Okay, carers. So I had carers. They did 6 months from
Mm-hmm.
the property. Then I also had security company came up to stay there when the Mountain Ash and the Ferndale track was being built.
Okay, brilliant. So you're familiar with how it works then?
So, but I did that myself.
Yeah, we've only tried to.
Property, mate. If it works, I'll give you flats in Cardiff.
Yeah. Okay, no worries. No worries. Yeah.
But
Okay.
if you want to see both properties, if you want to see mine
Yeah.
and the house that we're talking about,
Yeah.
we could do one at 1:30.
Yeah.
The 5-bedroom house at 1:30.
Yeah.
And she can see mine as soon as we're done from there.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So my pickup is 3:15 in Cardiff.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It takes a little while to get there and back, doesn't it?
1 hour.
Yeah. Okay. No worries. I'll speak to Hadia and I shall call you back around the same sort of time tomorrow, if that suits.
Absolutely fine. Thank you.
Rahul. Okay. And it's Luke you've been speaking to, yeah?
Great, Luke.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll give you a call tomorrow and we'll go from there.
Okay. Take care.
Cheers, Rahul.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.